Hello everyone. All have heard about competitive preparation, medical preparation, engineering preparation, UPSC preparation. But here we are going to discuss about old age preparation. Whether you like it or not, whether I love it or not, but old age must be. Then question arises, what to prepare, why to prepare, when to prepare, how to prepare. We'll find the answers of all these questions. If we study the current scenario, you open any social media, TV, mobile, newspapers, everywhere there will be the news how old aged persons are struggling in their life. How they are leading a very unhappy life. If this trend will continue, then very soon there will be the scenario when the number of old age homes will be more in comparison to school, right? Hope all are agree with me. Then, how we can find out the solution or how we can prepare ourselves to be old or to grow old? We can learn so many things from our previous generation because it was not the same scenario before. It was so much better. Hope all have studied that. Remember our childhood, we have not seen such scenarios. How is going on? So we can sort out the answer by studying them, even some incidents from the current generation also. First point, spending the time with the grandchildren, which was happening in our past but not now. Then who is responsible for that? All the participants, parents, grandparents, even the grandchildren also. So how it can be possible? With the effort of all the three. Then if it will be possible with the effort of all three, why not me? Why won't, as an elder person, why won't I take that opportunity to the initiative to share my knowledge, my experience with my grandchildren, to provide my love, affection, because it will ultimately help a lot to all the three participants, and it cannot happen in one day. We have to set our mind. As from the beginning, we are setting our mind like, I'll do this from my child, I'll do this from my child. Why not I'll set myself, I'll do this for my grandchildren. I share this time with my grandchildren like that. Then only it will be easy for us. Then second point, losing the partner. In our old days, of course, one of the life partner will go first and the remaining one will go later, right? So I'm talking about the later one who is alive. If you will spend your remaining life by thinking that why I am here, why my life partner has left me, all those things, it will kill you with others. Your sorrow, your thinking will impact other. It will make your life hell. At the same time, it will impact badly your surroundings also. So try to live your life ahead, because it's a naked truth. Someone will go first. Everybody will go, but someone will go first. Someone will go later. So we have to accept that. Accordingly, we have to prepare our mind to accept that change. The next point, children are not taking care of their parents, even they are not staying with their parents, which is the main thing is going on. But have you studied carefully? There are so many other things behind it. Some parents are not ready to go to their children, and they are not ready to leave their own house. See, two options are there. Either I have to leave where I am living my own home. I have to create that environment or surroundings, and I have to be there. I have to adjust there, or I have to go to my children's house where they are staying, because we are spending a lot, we are putting our best, we are encouraging our children the best to do their best, to earn their best, to live their life ahead, to leave the home, to live outside or abroad or the thing. At the end, if you will expect them by my side or at my home only, at my village or my hometown, it's quite impossible, right? And whenever someone is living outside, it's very tough. It's very tough because no luxury can give peace in comparison to your home or your hometown. So if two options, I can be at home, or if I'll go, then I have to live there accordingly, because metro cities cannot be cities, or cities cannot be village or town. Whatever the place, accordingly we have to be there. Next point, ego factor. If self ego will be there, as I have explained in my previous video on friendship, the comparison or the balance in between expectation and acceptance, let me add another point to it, that is adjustment. Anywhere we are, we have to adjust up to some extent, otherwise it would be too difficult for us, even for the surroundings also, all the participants who were living with us. It's very difficult. So accordingly, we have to take care, we have to prepare our mind. Next, cope with the change. We have to change ourselves. We have to be adaptable. Let me put one example, then we can better understand. If we'll talk about the legend, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, time was there when he was putting one dialogue and the movie was hit. But nowadays, he is dancing, singing, putting his dialogue in a better way. At the same time, he is ready to do so many other points according to the need of the hour. That's the reason till now he is the hero. Till now he is leading Bollywood. Till now we are accepting him. It totally depends on how we are adaptable, how we are coping with the change. So we have to prepare in our mind, to set our mind to cope with the change. Next point, enjoy. Anywhere it may be, enjoy every walk of your life. Whether it may be childhood, my young age, my old age, I am old, I am rich, I am poor, whatever may be the scenario, try to enjoy your life. And enjoyment is not in money, not in any material, it is within you. We have to find out. And accordingly, we have to prepare our mind to change little bit. Next, always try to be gold, If you will find out what is the meaning of old age and some synonyms in Google, then you can find out the word golden age. So we have to prepare ourselves as gold. Beyond the formalities, beyond the place where it is, it never loses its value. So like that, we have to prepare ourselves as gold. So anywhere we'll glaze. Anywhere we'll do our roles and responsibilities. The next one, live your passion. It helps us a lot, because some of might be thinking that it passion also differs. Somebody likes to sing, somebody likes to dance, somebody like to speak, somebody like to share, somebody like to do different creative things. Whatever it may be, somebody likes to read spiritual books, Gita, Bible, or it may be Quran, whatever. Whatever you like to do, don't think that after my retirement I'll do. Start doing from now. Might be 1 minute, 2 minutes, but start doing. It will lead you. It will help you to lead your life. Then next point is then the last point, that is, don't restrict yourself within the wall that is your siblings, my daughter, my son. There are so many other things, other personalities who are surrounded you. Think about them. Try to live with them. Then you can enjoy your life. Hope I have touched all of you. Hope I have encouraged you to prepare yourself for the old age. I am doing so.